This is a Java program to calculate simple interest. Student, please listen. Program to calculate simple interest. What is the simple interest formula? It's a mathematical formula. P into R into T divided by 100. What is the P? P is the principal amount. R is the rate per annum. T is the time in years. So normally many of the websites or books, they refer to PNR. Here I mentioned PRT. Okay, normally they will put PNR. Now, for example, you take this. We will highlight this. For example, let's say a man deposit 2000 rupees INR in a bank account at the rate of interest rate, that is interest rate 6% per annum. For how many years? 3 years. Calculate the simple interest at the end of 3 years. After 3 years, what is the interest I will get if I deposit 2000? So, this program we need to write interactively. It means you have to get the input from the console and then you have to process. Okay, so simple interest, this is a formula we'll apply now. What is the P value? Principal amount is 2000. Okay, R is the rate of interest 6 and 3 is the time of years 3. So this I will put in a bracket. Okay, you have to follow the BODMAS rule. Okay, otherwise compiler will give wrong results. At least here is the slash star is there. So slash will be the top priority and the star will be the lower second priority. So here it is not a problem. It will automatically take, but some of the expression will give you a problem. You have to follow with the computer-based programmings. Okay, mathematics is different and the computer-based. So properly you have to give the proper this one. Okay, this is equal to 360 INR. My interest rate is 360 INR. How to write? Okay, first I will open my notepad. So we can use it multiple ways. We can write in Eclipse tools and many tools are available, but still I will follow the normal command prompt method. Right, first put, I will use the scanner class here. Import. I'll go to the first line, import java.util.scanner. Okay, now now next line is public class. I'll call yes interest. Simple interest. Okay. Then bracket. Public first statement public static void main. The bracket you have to put string or yes. Then close the bracket. Then put here curly braces. Now we have to declare the variables float A, P, R, T, comma, yes, interest. Okay. Now put a scanner, class name SC equal to new scanner. Then bracket system dot in. Now put system not out of print. Enter the principal. Now SP equal to SC dot next float. This is the method for getting the float variable for the principal. Now I'll again stop writing. I'll copy this. Okay, I'll paste again the same statement. Here, enter the rate. Enter the rate interest. Now here we have to put the variable called rate R. SC dot next float. Next, we need to copy, enter the instead of principal, we have to put a time period. Put here time period. Here the variable name called T. P means principal, R for rate of interest, T for time period. What is the formula? Yes, interest equal to bracket P star R star T slash onward. Now, systems are simple. Interest is plus yes NTETER interest. Fine. Now for the main you have to close, and for the last name you have to close this curly braces. Now you have to all this class name SI interest. Save as into my training folder. S interest dot Java. Now I'll go to my folder, D colon, then training. Here I'll put a CMD. It will go to the command prompt. Now put Java C, yes, interest dot Java. So variable P is the error. So we have to correct the error. P is small letter here. Somewhere we put here P capital. Here I put here capital letter. Put a small letter. Save. Now I save the file. Again put Java C interest. It is compiled. Now we have to run dot cp dot because I mentioned my class path here. Interest. So with the now we have to give the principal value 2000. What is the value we given here? The CMA document 2063. So 2000. Next rate of return 6. Next period is 3. So guest interest is showing a 360.0. Our expected result is matching. 360 INR is matching. If you want to print INR, you can put plus double quotes INR. Save this program. Again, go there, execute, compile. Now run. Again give principal 2000. Put the interest 6. Period 3 is giving 3.0 INR. If you want to give a space, you can give the space. This is our program for calculating the simple interest. Java program to calculate the simple interest. Any doubts, please message in my comment box. I will help in the what is called. I'll help in the answer for you from the message box. Thank you very much.